Research found that many car buyers are entirely biased against certain auto brands, their quality or their reliability notwithstanding. They judge cars based on predetermined beliefs without personal experience or expert reviews and ratings. This loyalty is something they build over many years, and it translates into sales, and sales turn into profits and thus increase brand value. Stick around to find out if your favorite car company is among the most valuable brands according to Interbrand's 2022 Global Brand Ranking. Number 1 is Toyota with $59.7 billion for another year. Toyota retains the top spot for the most valuable automotive brand. According to Interbrand, the Japanese automaker is worth about $59.7 billion, a 10% increase over the last year. You are more likely to spot a Toyota on any global highway than any other brand. And this won't change soon as the brand is taking bullish steps to develop eco-friendly cars, which helps future-proof the brand. Number 2 is Mercedes-Benz with $56.1 billion. Mercedes isn't the most valuable car brand, but they are quick to remind car lovers that they are the top luxury automotive brand, a gong they've held for 7 consecutive years. They've also seen their brand value grow by 10% to $56.1 billion. The premium automotive brand is a pioneer of engineering and mobility technological innovations, and its range of new luxury and performance cars will give consumers in the market for a new car something to think about. Number 3 is Tesla with $48 billion. Tesla positions its products and services for a market with a low current turnover with an anticipated imminent increase. That future is already here with the adoption of EVs. The ever-growing brand is now the third most valuable car brand at the expense of BMW. In the last 12 months, Tesla's brand value increased by 32% to $48 billion. And if there is some merit to Elon Musk's opinion, we might soon see it take the top spot as he believes the brand is on a path to overtake Apple. Number 4 is BMW with $46.3 billion. BMW has been on a gradual growth curve since 2009 when it had a brand value of $21.6 billion. More than a decade later, they've more than doubled the value and currently rank 4th among automakers with a valuation of $46.3 billion. This was an 11% growth in the last 12 months, and while it drops one position, the brand maintains its reputation as a luxury performance automaker of choice for many gearheads. Number 5 is Honda with $22.8 billion. Honda has a unique, multi-layered approach to business that has allowed them to invite creativity to fuel constant innovation, enabling them to consistently release high-quality products with a high value in the market. Many consumers associate the Japanese brand with enjoyable, fuel-efficient, and bulletproof cars. Such a reputation doesn't go unrewarded, and it reflects on the Honda brand. In 2022, Honda's brand value stands at $22.8 billion, a 7% increase from last year. Number 6 is Hyundai with $17.3 billion. Hyundai has lately been on a charm offensive and doubled down on electrification and smart mobility solutions as they approach the new age of mobility. Their effort to bolster capability and add value to their customers has had a positive impact, with a 14% increase in brand value over the last year. According to Interbrand, Hyundai has a value of $17.3 billion, earning it the 35th spot among global commercial giants. The Korean outfit has evolved, and its cars match the performance and looks of its German rivals. Number 7 is Audi with $14.9 billion. Audi is one of the dozens of high-performance automakers owned by the Volkswagen Auto Group, and they have been doing quite all right on their own. Almost all models in the sporty luxury brand's lineup offer solid performance with a first-class interior accompanied by accomplished rides and lively handling. And it seems the brand's loyal customers don't mind spending big bucks to buy these cars. In 2022, Audi commands a brand value of $14.9 billion, which is an 11% increase from last year. Number 8 is Volkswagen with $14.8 billion. Volkswagen had an uncertain beginning during interwar Germany, but it has grown into one of the biggest-selling automakers in the world. They've always built cars for the people, and the reward has been consistent growth in value year on year. It is one of the few automakers never to go bankrupt, and they've absorbed major names in the industry under its VW Group umbrella. In 2022, the Volkswagen brand, minus its subsidiaries, has a value of $14.8 billion, which is a 10% increase since last year. Number 9 is Ford with $14.4 billion. Henry Ford is one of the greatest business mavericks, and the company he founded more than a century ago is still thriving. According to Interbrand rankings, Ford is among the top 10 automotive brands, valued at $14.4 billion. This was a 12% increase in value from last year. With a growing range of electrified vehicles, Ford looks set to tap into the new look market, and they are already the second best-selling EV brand in America. Number 10 is Porsche with $13.5 billion. Porsche is a popular German luxury brand and part of the Volkswagen Group. They have built some of the most technologically advanced performance cars with safety in mind. Their definitive model is the two-door rear-engine 911, which has been in production since 1964 and brought the brand so much commercial success. Interbrand estimates a brand value of $13.5 billion in 2022. This is a 15% growth from the previous year. Porsche seems geared up for the EV future with a new range of battery EVs and plug-in hybrids in their stable. Number 11 is Nissan with $12.2 billion. Number 12 is Ferrari with $9.3 billion. Number 13 is Kia with $6.6 billion. Number 14 is Land Rover with $5.5 billion. Number 15 is Cooper with $5.5 billion. Thank you for watching. Kindly subscribe to MotorView Rides.